There are many different ways to express adverbs, and they change depending on the situation. There are only a few real adverbs. The French word trop, meaning very, is also commonly used. I like very much.
Dama bég lool.
I got seriously angry.
Mer naa trop.
I'm walking slowly.
Maa ngi dox ndànk.
I ate a little.
Lekk naa tuuti.
I can't cook at all.
Mënuma toog dara.
Adjectives and static verbs are often used adverbially. Connecting two sentences creates a simple adverb expression. It rained.
Taw na.
The rain is a lot.
Taw bi dafa bari.
It rained a lot.
Taw na bu bari.
You kindly helped.
Dimbali nga bu baax.
I ate a lot.
Lekk naa bu bari.
I can run fast.
Mën naa daw bu gaaw.
Speak clearly.
Waxal bu leeru.
I live happily.
Dama dégg bu bekk.
Watch carefully.
Xoolal bu baax.
I will stay here long.
Dinaa fi nekk lu yàgg.
There are expressions that can be combined with other words to form adverbs and expressions in which a static verb is placed before a verb. I haven't eaten lunch yet.
Añaguma ba léegi.
I have already had lunch.
Añ naa ba pare.
I arrived late.
Dama yéexa yegg.
I woke up early.
Yeewu naa ca teel.
Don't shout loudly.
Bul yuuxu ci kaw.
I'm always sleepy.
Damay gëmmentu saa su nekk.
I often go to the beach.
Damay faral di dem tefes.
I have been to France many times.
Dem naa France ay yoon.